So welcome back on the third video. The bonus is about WebMPC. I think the best information that I find. So I don't need this anymore. So you already. So I need this one because I've made a plugin. So the WebMPC, I think I've given. Yeah, this is one interesting, and also. So I can quit this. I will keep that. I will stop this. This is my production. And also I need to look for WebMPC. I think that's Google. What they say, Google. Yeah. So this one is interesting, and also, yeah, I think that's this article that I find. Yeah, that was, and I know I want, that you don't understand, it's always putting me to the French. So he's given you good information about WebMPC. Basically, let's see, what did I say about WebMPC? I think yeah, the WebMPC things. I'm gonna show you what I've written down. Yeah. Yeah, WebMCP is not a standard yet. It's a kind of response of Google to the fact that they have new competitors that are chatbots, like I said, Claude, ChatGPT, whatsoever, and so they want to build on their own SEO and then extend it with the GCO, the generated content optimization, and it's a layer that you put on your HTML, where you have the chatbot or the LLM is able to understand what is expecting, what it has to do on the web page. So you know the interaction. That's a JavaScript API that you put it directly, and the goal is that the AI agent is arrive on the page and you understand which action are possible. Meaning that for the content, for a blog like me, this is almost useless. But for somebody like Airbnb, for instance, or Amazon, or anyone who's making business on the internet, that's maybe very interesting or important, sorry, or compulsory, key to their survive. Like I said, I asked Claude about this summary. Well, anyway, which is really easy. So you have some resources, and the fact that this is very easy to add an MCP to your website. So I've created a plugin. So let's go for the plugin. I will deactivate this one. And you have right here the WebMCP, meaning that I guess I made some explanation, the manifesto and stuff like that, and have some help to verify. So, for instance, so you have a direct link, and what I'm going to show you is that, for instance, anyway, this is the manifest. Yeah, that's correct. You have different methods, which is search post. You have get list post, list category, get post. In terms of which is this is not terms of service. This is I can't remember. Anyway, terms of anyway, an index, get related post. So you have few functions that will help Google to understand what your website is able to do. And so you have all the explanation inside, meaning that what I declare, what you can do, what is the manifest, and so on. So that's the idea. This is very easy. You can do it, and you can do it very easily. And I guess you have to check, because it's better to create a kind of bridge to this new protocol that will be maybe a de facto standard, and that will help you to improve your traffic on your website. Okay? So I think I hope you like my work. I hope you like this video. Maybe it's a bit confusing sometimes because I try to explain in simple words things. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then maybe I will coming back for new video tutorials on some subject. See you then. Bye bye.